Okay, so everything is fine now, guys.
Yes,
fine.
Ravi, it's fine.
Okay, so here we are going to work on what is that our DAO layer will be there, our what JPA guys. Okay, our DAO layer will be there. What our data JPA. So already what is that Spring Boot people is given what is that JPA interface or not guys to perform what is that database operation. Come on everyone.
Yes, Ravi. Yes.
Database, what is that repository? Guys, please web, what is that? Yeah.
Ravi, chat is disabled.
Chat is in everyone. No, guys. Why? You want to enable this one or disable everyone? If you want, I can disable it also. Can I disable it?
No, it is already disabled.
Now see this.
Hello.
Yes, see this. Now.
Now it's okay. It's enabled.
Okay. JPA repository, right? JPA repository already our Spring people is given, right? To perform what is that database operation now, guys. It's taking what is that first one is taking the class, another one is taking the ID now. Come on, everyone. So this is the interface now. Okay, guys, good. So this is the interface now. Okay, so where it's but if we want to implement what if we want to extend this interface, what we have need to write our own class or not, guys. So we will write our own interface, right? That is the just think about that product interface. I'm writing what is that product interface, product repository, right? This product repository, yeah, product repository. Now this is also what interface only. So between what this interface to this interface, which relation will be there now, guys? Come on, everyone. Is it or has it now? Yes. Everyone.
Has
What is the relationship?
Easy.
Easy relation. Good to read. Very good.
Has a relation, Ravi.
Why has a relation will be now? Extend keyword where we are using now. Play the music. Okay, so good. So after then what we will do now, guys, we will write our own interface, right? Where we will extend this interface, where we will extend this interface. Okay, no, don't worry about that. It's still explanation is going on, na? Don't worry. Whenever we will go ahead in the session, right? Then everything will come to you. Okay, clear picture will come. Okay, don't worry about that. After then, what is that product? What is that repository? Repository, right? 1 minute. Yeah, product repository. Between what this interface, this is also interface now, guys. Okay, so if two interfaces there in the core Java, just think about that in the core Java only. So if two interfaces are there, which relation will be now, guys? Come on, everyone. Is a relation, we will use which keyword? In extend and implement now, guys. Come on. If two interfaces is there,
extend is a relationship.
sorry.
The two interfaces extends.
Yes.
Extends, Ravi.
And in which situation we are taking implement now, guys? Come on.
Class to
There are
interface.
class.
Good.
To take class and implement the interface.
Yes, very good. So here, okay. So here which interface is the child interface? Which interface is the parent interface now, guys? core Java only. This is the core Java only, right? So if we are
Yeah.
Product
if we are using
JPA.
if we are
product repository is a child interface.
yeah, and what is that? JPA repository is the parent interface, right?
JPA repository parent interface.
JPA repository is the parent interface, and what is that? Product repository is the interface. So one conclusion I'm giving to you people, guys. Okay, if class interface, there is a relation between what is that? EJ has a right, EJ relation, then development always will start from the top to bottom. Means what is that? First parent will developer will develop parent, then what is that? Child will develop now, guys. Okay, if the class interface is there, what is that? In the EJ relation, right? In the EJ relation, right? In what? If two interface or two classes is there in the relation of what? EJ relation, right? Then development always will start from the top to bottom. Means what is that? First parent, this one is the what? Parent, this one is the parent, and this one is the child now, guys. Okay, good. So again, if the classes is there between what is that? Has a relation, right? Has a relation, then always development will start from the child to parent. But if the classes is there between what is that? Is a relation, then always development will start from the parent to child. Now clear, guys?
Yes,
I-
Ravi.
Yes, good.
Yes, clear.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So
Yes, sir.
now, guys, so this one already, this interface already is given by whom? Our Spring Boot people. Okay, so now, okay, so where we will write our business logic now, guys. Okay, so for that, to what is that? To use what? Total, to make our application totally loose couple between what is that? This class, this interface to what? This service layer. Then we will develop what is that? Poji programming we are doing, guys. Okay, so now here what is that? We will take one interface now, guys. Okay, we will take one interface. So what is that? iProduct service. iProduct service, this is nothing but what? Interface. Here what we will do now? All abstract method we will take. Okay, in this interface, what we will do now? All abstract method we will take it now, guys. Okay, so after then what? Good. So already see this, guys. So this repository, product repository interface already is there, right? So here what we are going to do now? Here we are going to take what is that? Service, right? Service interface, its implementation class, where we will write, we can write it, our logic in the interface now, guys. Anybody can you tell? We will write, we can able to write our, so where we will go now? It's implementation class now, guys. Okay, so yeah, we will go, it's an implementation class now. Okay, so what is the implementation class? We will take naming convention I'm following, guys. Okay, product, what is that? Service IMPL, right? IMPL now, guys. Okay, so this is what? This is the interface, and this is the class. Okay, so this is the class now, guys. Okay, so I already said development always start with from what? If the classes is there in the EJ relation, so what? So think about that. Here only I wrote what? First what I wrote now? First iProduct service I wrote. After then what is that? Its implementation classes I wrote now. Okay, so between what is that? Between these two interfaces, what relation is there now, guys? Come on, interface and this class now, guys. Come on. EJ relation is there. Okay, EJ relation is there, right? After then what? So but what is that? So our service layer need to interact with what? A database also now, guys. Okay, our application, what is that? Our application service layer need to interact with what? Database layer also, right? So whenever our what is that? This implementation class will interact with what? Our what? Database access layer. So we will create that attribute JPA, right? Sorry, 1 minute. So we will take what is that? What we will do now? So between what is that? This interface to this class, right? What relation is there now? What relation is there now? Has a relation is there now, guys. Okay, so what we will do now?
Has a relation.
Yeah, so this class attribute we will take its implementation class, and we will perform the save, update, delete operation, right? So between what is that? Then here what relation will be there now? Between what? Product service IMPL to what? Product service repository now, guys. Come on.
Yes, Ravi. Has a
has a relation, right? After then here what we will do now, here we will take the product controller class, right? In what presentation layer, right? In the presentation layer, what we will take now, product controller, right? Product controller with inside that what we will do now, this reference we will take, right, to perform what our controller want to interact with what service layer. Then what we will do now, we will make the product controller between what is that, this interface, what has a relation, right? Has a relation. Has a relation. Okay, so this is our what project technical flow now, guys. Okay, this is our what project technical flow now. Okay, so let's understand what is that. Just I'm going to explain it. Okay, so what I'm going to explain it now, guys. So first, what is that, our architecture. I'm going to give what our project architecture now, guys. Okay, so just understand the project architecture now, guys. Okay, so just think about that, what is that. So first, what our product, what is that, our product application is there, right? Product application. So just think about that now, guys. So here what is that, number of what form equal to number of object or not, guys? Come on, already I explained it. Come on, if the one form is there, based on that one form only, what our model class will be there or not, guys? Come on.
yes.
Yes,
Sir.
Ravi.
Yes, right.
Good. So okay, so see this. Okay, so just think about that. This is our what product what, this is our what product form is there, guys. Okay, so our what product form is there. So just think about that. Okay, see this. Okay, so what is that, here what, so here what, registration. First we will store what is that product, what is that, we will give the product registration HTML to in the user, right? So see this. Okay, product register HTML, right? HTML. This is our what product registration form is there, guys. Okay, so here what is that, we will give the end user to this input. First we will give the code. After then what is that, product cost. Okay, product cost we will give. After then what is that, vendor we will give. Okay, vendor will be drop down, guys. Okay, vendor will be, don't worry, this is a look like a small na? This project is not a small, guys. Okay, after ending this project, okay, you people will get too much confident about it. Okay, just I'm giving trailer. Okay, when I will start what movie, then you people will enjoy our what session. Okay, so until unless if I'm not starting what practical, just listen the things. Okay, based on this explanation only, our what whole project will be there, guys. Okay, whole project will be there. Even in this small application, I'm going to use what is that, how many concepts I'm going to explain it, guys. Implement in this application, you people just think pagination, using what, bootstrap. I will use bootstrap framework. Pagination I'm going to explain it. Okay, Ajax I will implement, guys. Okay, however, if the data, if you are here putting, right, if already that this data is there in the database, at the time of only here you will get what information, this data is already there, please change the data, like that. Okay, like that, I'm going to make this application. Okay, so just I'm giving the trailer, guys. Okay, trailer, just like how if any movie is releasing before, what is that, 3 months 2 months before only na, in that movie what trailer, the on the ad, what is that, trailer will come. Okay, and when the movie will release, at the time the people are going to watch the whole movie because of that, by seeing the trailer only na. Come on everyone, I'm not watching much TV, guys. Okay, but when I was small, in the 10th standard, 12th standard, that time I was watching the movie, I seen that, and those time, what that time analysis today I'm implementing in the Java. Okay, so good. Okay, guys. So okay, so good. So no issue. Every experience matter, guys. Okay, every in the life, what is that? If what is that? Just if you are going walk also, right, observe the your environment, which kind of situation is going on. Okay, learn something from that situation also, because everything, if you have the curiosity to learn, right, you can learn from the age and everyone also, right, on that day also, right. I don't know others, but I'm learning from that person also, right? Something I'm learning that okay, when that person is disturbing a session, right? So okay, if just if we are the positive person, right, we can learn, right, good things we can learn from that person also. Okay, so see that how much that dedicated that person is dedicating the, to disturbing the session now, but we are that much dedicated what to take the session also, right? So okay, so everything is matter, guys. Okay, so no issue. So here what is that? Vendor is there, right? Vendor, after then what? Here I'm taking what? Note. Okay, notes input, right? After then what? We will give the one input, right? Ind, what is that? Our input, submit button to end user, right? So good. So here what is the submit button will be there now. Submit button is there now. Good. So here what will be there now, guys? Here our what code will be there, right? Code will be there. After then what? Here what we will design this form, guys. Okay, we will design it, don't worry about that. Okay, cost will be there. After then what? Vendor is there. Vendor is there. After then what? Here note is there, right? Note is there. Okay, guys, so I hope everyone is remembered it, guys. Whenever we will click on the submit button, what will happen now? Based on that, we are creating one model class or not, guys? Come on. So our model class, so yes. Yeah, so this form is nothing but what? One object or not, guys? Come on, everyone. This form is, I said that,
Yes.
right? This form is nothing but what? One form, right? So okay, good, guys. So here, yeah, so here just see that. Okay, so how our what this numbers, what 1 2 3 4 inputs is there, right? But we can increase it, right? We can increase that what input, right, variable in the class also, guys. Okay? Yeah, for the object we can increase it also, right? So just think about that, what will happen now whenever we will click, right? So whenever we will click submit button, right, product object will create. So already this class will be there in our what package now, right? So what is that product? I'm taking what product class will be there now, guys. Okay, inside that what product prod id is there, right? This one will generate auto generated, guys. Okay, I will in the real time, id will not generate, right? Id will not put our end user will not, our application will generate that what id, right? Every time remember this, guys. Okay, based on that, in the Hibernate, what is the generators are there now? So based on that generator, we are generating the id in the real time. Okay, in the real time. Okay, so we are not taking the id from the end user, because id always what end user unique id always unique. Just think about that. Okay, so in your Aadhaar card is there, right? If you are going to Aadhaar card center, right, in the Aadhaar card you can modify your like what Aadhaar card number now? No, guys. Aadhaar, you can update everything, but you can't update your what Aadhaar number. Even think about that in the go if you go
Yes.
if you are going in the bank, right? Bank, everything, if you want to update what our address as well as your name, you can, but your like what bank account number will not change. Even if you want, if anybody want in another bank also with the same account number, that one also not possible, because these things will generate our application whenever bank clerk filling the form of our what customer. At the time we are not giving that facility to bank clerk, okay, to generate that what account number. We are writing that kind of logic internally, right? Our application is generating one unique what account number to what that end user. And again, if that in that branch only, if that person want to assign the same account number to other customer, that is not possible. Are possible now, guys? Just think about that. Everyone, why
Not
you
possible, Ravi. Not possible.
not
possible.
Yeah.
Not possible.
So same like, okay, the id will be there, but what is that? We will generate id auto generated, right? Auto generated in the application now, guys. Okay, so what is that? Integer now. Another one is what? This is the private. Okay, so here what Here what now, guys? So here what? After then what? Product code is there, right? Product code. Take one. What is that? Product PROD. Product code. Product code, right? Now this is the string type. This is the string type. After then what? Another one is what? Product cost is there, right? Product cost is there. Okay, so let's take what? Product cost. Product cost. This one is what? Double type, right? Come on, guys. What? Money is always what? Real number. Come on. In the mathematics, real number, natural number.
Yes.
So real number.
Yes.
If the person will tell in what, where we are using real number in the application, right? So this kind of things, real number only, right? I'm right. Our floating point number in the mathematics, we are saying real number, na? Come on.
Yes. Real number floating.
Okay, so here good. So here what is that? Product code is there, right? Here what? If you think about that, our Java guys, whoever the strong in algebra, right? Algebra. So our Java is algebra only, but I don't know, you know, see in the algebra what we are taking now, a plus b plus c, like that we are taking now. Here what we are doing now, guys, we are first defining what? Int a equal to, just think about the int a equal to 10. We are giving that 10 value is what? A value is 10. So later what we are doing now, we are writing the logic only, right? Based on that logic only, what we are getting result, right?
دي هذا ودك صفر اسميتو درسيهم في الساق.
Come on, guys. So if you analyze our mathematics, right? Our mathematics algebra, if you relate our algebra to Java, right? So our Java is algebra only. But you know, so analysis, we have need to analyze how we are analyzing, that is also matter, right? So okay, good guys. So no issue. Okay. So here what? Prod cost is there. Okay, good. Sorry.
We are missing product name also, Ravi.
No, here no product card, product vendor. Okay, product name, product code only, right? Product code only. We will take the name. Okay, let's take the name. Okay, yeah, good. Product name, yeah. Okay, product name. Let's take product name. Here we have need to increase one input, right? Vendor, cost, and code. Yes. Okay, so here what? String is there, right? Here what? String now. Okay, good. So here one we will increase one input. Okay. Product name, right? Okay, good. So okay, good. So here what? Product cost will be there now, guys. Okay, so another one is what? Product cost is completed. Another one is what? Product vendor now. Okay, so here we will take what? Just when. Okay, so here I'm taking what? String only. Okay, good. Another one is what? Product vendor, and what is that? Note. Let's take one another. Yeah. Hi, what is that? Product what? Sorry.
Note.
Okay.
String type.
Yes, good. String. Another one. Okay, so let's, what is that? Whenever we are buying any product, guys, so nowadays what is that? GST also applied on the product, right? Come on, everyone. GST.
Yeah.
We can't
Yes.
forget it. We can't forget GST, na? Come on, shall we forget it now?
Yes.
We
Yes.
should include GST.
Yes. So we will write the logic. Okay, so here GST, right? In the end user will not decide. Okay, our application will decide in this product how much GST cost will be there. Na, come on. We will write the logic in the service layer. Don't worry. But if we not take the attribute here, then we can't able to write the logic in the service, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's increase one more. What is that product? Product GST, right? GST. This one is what? Double now, guys. Okay. So after then what? After GST, guys. Okay. Just think about that sum. What is that? What is the discount, right? After then what is that? On one product, discount also will be there, right? So product. What is that discount? Let's take the discount. Okay. So this one also double now. How much discount will be there in the one product, right? Including the GST. After then what? Then discount also we will calculate, right? In the application, what we will calculate now? Discount also, right? Right? Okay. So this is what our model class now, guys. Okay. This one will be our what? Model class now. Okay, good. Okay. So here, what is that one? Yeah, we will take the com dot rk dot model, right? So this is the package name will be now, guys. Okay. So okay, whenever we will click on the submit button, what will happen now? This class object will create it now, guys. Okay. So after then what will happen now? This data will store in the database or not, guys? Come on. So just think about that. This is our what? Database table now, guys. Okay. So what will happen now? This one, these inputs, guys. Okay. This input will become what? Here row and what? Column now, guys. Okay. Row and what? Column. So column will become, what is that? Product, just PID. Good. So after then what? P code. Okay. P code. Okay. After then what? P name. After then what?
P cost.
P cost, right? After then what? P
Vendor.
yeah, just P vendor, right? After then what? P note, right? After then what? GST. After then what? PGST.
Discount.
After then what? P discount. Okay, these columns will generate, guys. Okay, this column will generate, and what will happen now? Whatever input we will give, right? Whatever input here, whatever input we will give, those input will become what? One row, right? That input will store in the table now, guys. Okay, that input will store in the table now, guys. So this is our first operation will be, our application first operation will be this one only now, guys. Okay, so shall we complete this first operation now? Are you ready now to complete this first operation?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Guys, so many, just don't think, okay, so many concept I'm going to explain it here. Okay, so still it's not only one, in the so many concept I will integrate here. Okay, so okay, so this is the first operation. Our first operation will be now, guys. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever we will click on the submit button, what will happen now? Our model class object will create, and what will happen? This data will store in the database now, guys. Okay, so this is our what? First operation now. So shall we start to doing the practical on this one now, guys?
Yes,
sir.
Ravi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. So okay, see this, to develop this application, right? First, what we have need to do now, guys? So first we have need to set the environment or not, guys. Come on, to work on the project. First, what will happen now? First we have need to set the environment, then we can start to work, right? We are in the project, right?
Yes, sir.
Whenever we are deploying in the project, guys, everything already our seniors just what, based on that story, what we are doing now, we are implementing the concept in our application. We are not going to do what? Set up environment in the real time. Or we are going now? No, nah, come on.
Yes.
No, we are not going.
Yes, Ravi.
We are not going, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's first complete the setup, environment setup, right? So to set the environment, right, first we have need to dependency, na, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so whatever dependency we have need, I'm going to write it now, guys. Okay, first dependency, okay, dependency, this dependency we have need, guys. Okay, first dependency we have need what? First dependency what? Spring Web. First dependency we have need Spring Web. Second dependency we have need what? Dev tool.
Yeah.
Dev tool, right? After then what? Third dependency we have need, guys. For third dependency we have need what? Third dependency we have need what? Lombok.
Number.
Any that one also we will take, Sudhir. Okay, so now fourth one, fourth what is that? For the to generate what is the setter getter method, for that we are taking Lombok now, guys. To perform web MVC, for that is Spring Web we are taking the dependency. To what is that? To dev
JPA Ravi.
yeah, we
Tata
will,
JPA.
yes, I will take, I'm giving the explanation, please give me the time. Okay, so after then what? To perform to perform database operation now, guys. Okay, please mute yourself, guys. Okay, so what is that? To perform what is that database operation? Based on the which database we are selecting, we are going to perform means what? We are going to store the data in the MySQL here, right, guys? So for that MySQL, right? MySQL dependency we will take, guys. Okay, MySQL. After then what? Fifth one. Okay, after then what? Fifth one we will take data JPA. What is that? We are going to use data JPA, right, to write the logic of a DAO layer. Which technology we are going to use it now, guys?
Data JPA.
Data JPA, right? So data JPA. Okay, we will take another dependency is data JPA, right? Data JPA. After then what? View logic.
Jasper.
No, view logic. We are going to use theme leaf. Okay, theme leaf.
Okay.
So for that, which dependency we will take now, guys? Theme leaf. Okay, theme leaf. Okay, so you people want what is that? GSP front end. Come on, everyone. Theme leaf or GSP?
No, Ravi, theme leaf.
Team lead tool.
Yes.
Leaf.
If anybody want, right, our view layer should be what? JPA. Sorry, GSP. So guys, in the Spring already I took one mini project. There I used what? Front end as a GSP. Same things you can implement here also, but just change what is it? Just put what? Jasper dependency in the pom.xml. Then our GSP will work. Okay. So that's it, nothing more than else. Same things will be there in what? Our Spring Boot, Spring uh, mini project also. But you know, Spring mini project, what is that? Our YouTube, that mini project is there on our YouTube channel. Okay, so utilize it, okay, and implement in this application only. But here I'm going to take what is that? Our view technology as a theme loop only. So okay, guys, so this dependency we have needed. Okay, this dependency we have needed. Okay, so good. So shall we create the setup environment first? Come on, guys, based on this dependency now.
Yes, Ravi, sure.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so let's take, guys. Okay, so file, new, and what is that? Spring starter project. Okay, so here what we will do now? Let's take what is that? Spring product mini project. Product mini project. After then what? Maven, Java 8, Java, everything is fine now, guys. Okay, so now good. So here what we will do now? Here let's take next. Okay, after then select the dependency, guys. Okay, Lombok, JPA, MySQL, web, theme leaf, and what is that? Dev. Okay, all dependency we selected now. Whatever required dependency we see this Spring Web, Dev, Lombok, MySQL, Data JPA, theme leaf, right? I took all now. Spring Web, theme leaf, MySQL, Spring Data JPA, Lombok, Spring Boot, Dev. Yeah, every dependency we selected it now, guys. Okay. So now what we will do now? Next, and what? Finish.
Ravi, your voice is breaking, I think.
Now everything is fine now, guys. Everyone.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Yes, Ravi. Now please carry on.
Yeah, okay. So now our project is ready now, guys. Okay, our project setup in my environment is ready now. Okay, guys. So good. Still it's going on. Okay, so let's wait.
Screen sharing is
Sorry.
Voice is also not clear, Ravi.
yeah, voice is breaking and screen also not sharing.
Yes.
So 1 minute.
Screen is not visible, Ravi.
Now Sudeep. Now everyone.
Not yet, Ravi.
No, no, Ravi.
No, not yet.
Still not.
Just shared now.
Yeah, now it is visible. Ravi.
Okay, project creation. You seen that whatever dependency I took at the time.
Oh, no.
No, it was stuck. Screen was stuck at the time, Ravi.
Okay, so don't worry. Again, I will create the project. Okay. Now everything is perfect, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
And now it is.
Okay, good. No issue. Okay, no issue. So what I'm going to do now? Again, I'm going to delete this application, right? This project, I'm going to delete it, guys. Okay, front of you only. I'm deleting again. Okay, so what we will do now, take the file new, after then what, Spring Starter project. So now everything, right, product mini project, right, we taken the name of whatever project, product what, mini project. Next, and what is that, Lombok, Spring Data JP, Spring Web, Spring MySQL, Theme Leaf, and what is Spring Boot. This dependency, whatever dependency I explained, see this, Spring Web, Dev Tool, Lombok, MySQL, Data JP, and a Theme Leaf. All dependency I took. Nah, come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi. Correct.
Okay, so now next, now finish it. Okay, now our project is creating. Okay, so now our project is created now, guys. Means what? Our setup environment setup is ready now. So first one is what we will do now. Come here, right? So property, right? Whatever property is there, I think everyone remembered whenever I am explaining what data JPA, right? JPA at the time, the property, dialect property, after then what, platform, after then so format. This property I took related to or what, DDL, data auto, as well as what, driver connection, stable the connection between what, our data base to what, our application. This property I explain it. I hope you people are remembered little bit. I'm not saying that it
Yes,
just,
sir.
yes. So good, guys. So here what we will do now, first let's what, take the